What is going on, guys? Today I will be building this new freshpark moto jump ramp. I picked it up because I'm getting itchy to ride my CRF 110 build. I rode it a little bit on my vacation and had a lot of fun on the jumps and whatnot, but I don't really have anything like that around here, so I went ahead, I picked up the ramp here. I've previously had freshpark ramps. I had their quarter pipe, which I felt was good quality. That thing served me well. I used it for my RC trucks. I sold that and I picked up this one. This is like their smallest one, which I figured would be good just to start kind of getting a little more used to launching this thing. I'm not so used to the little bikes. It feels funny because it's so small, but I want to get my skills up on it, so I decided to go ahead and make another purchase from freshpark. So this is how it comes to you, just shipped in this box. So I'm gonna open this thing up, see what's in there, and we'll get to building this thing. It shouldn't be too complicated, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, just dig right into it here. Guess we'll just cut the top right off of it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, you gonna help me, bud? Got a little helper here. Oh, look at him go. He's ready for the ramp. He's ready for the ramp. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at this guy. Right in the way as usual. Right in the way as usual. All right. Okay. Look out, bud. Oh my God. Get down. Get down. There you go to open it. There you go. Oh yeah, look at this. I got some fresh bucks, baby. If you need directions, you just scan this. So I'm just gonna take a quick peek at those. But I got everything all laid out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces and some hardware basically. So this should be pretty simple. All right, so to put this thing together, they do include some tools, but they're, you know, really crappy. So you need a 13mm open end wrench and a 5mm hex key in your ratchet. And then there's just 3 bolts here in the middle. You can see this part here without the legs goes first, obviously. So that's, on this ramp, it's very easy to identify because this one's got the channels for the legs. And then the legs, just use these. So you can take these off when you want to fold it up real tight. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Here, just use the big washers on the outside. And then just tighten them up. You don't gotta crank this thing tight. This isn't like super heavy duty steel. You don't wanna be, you know, going too crazy. But once it's all together, take those down. One other thing, they did include these J-hooks with with wing nuts, I think, for the leg supports if you were to put the other piece on, which those confused me for a second. I was wondering why the hell those were in there, but you don't use those. So let's try to fold this thing down here. So let's just show you the folding first, actually. Look at, so it folds real good. You don't want to crank these way down because it's metal on metal and they have to fold. So you don't want to go crazy, but you can see if I were to take those legs off, this thing would fold up pretty good, and then I'd be able to slide it right into my van, which I'll probably do that after. See how it fits, but unfold it. Oh, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. And once you kind of get it unfolded, boom, you can put it down. Oh yeah, boom, and there you go. So it's a nice little launch ramp for your Mini. So I mean, it's actually not, it's pretty decent. You can definitely add the other piece. I don't know if they sell just the add-on that you can add on to this, or you got to get the full moto ramp, but this is basically the beginning of their moto ramp, which is, you know, real nice. So if you want to add on to it, but I think for the pit bike, this will be more than enough to send it how I want. So you know, they're pretty quality. I mean, it's not obviously the strongest thing in the world, but it's got this, you know, steel mesh here, diamond, whatever you want to call it, and you know, the quality looks pretty good. Their skate park ramp held up really good for me, so I'm hoping that this one does. And you can see, you know, you can add on here. So maybe if I ever want to hit it with my bigger bike, I can do that. But this is even wide enough if you wanted to use it for like RC trucks or something like that, because that's why I got the skate park. This would have been a great one for the RCs, but I don't really do any RC stuff anymore. But yeah, that's it. freshpark. They call this one the jump zilla, I believe. You can add another one to the other side or whatever you want to do. That's what's great about Fresh Park. It's a little bit modular, and yeah, I just kind of like the company. I like what they're doing. They got a lot of stuff out there, so yeah, check them out. I'll put a link to this ramp in the comments below. Thanks for watching.